CollaNote captured the hearts of many note takers because it was a free app with a lot of features. However, since its latest update, CollaNote 2.0 is now the second most expensive note-taking app on the market, second only to Notability, which is a subscription. Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. We've always believed that CollaNote gathered so much momentum and popularity because it was a free app. You can't expect much from a free app. Even its look didn't bother us because of that. However, coming in at $5.95 for old users, $8.29 for its launch price, and $11.90 for its normal price, will we still love the app? I mean, looking at its user interface alone, would you really spend that much money on the app? Instead of getting Noteful for $4.99 or GoodNotes for $7.99, Zoom Notes for the same price, Nibo for $8.99, or NoteShelf for $9.99. CollaNote simply doesn't look like a premium app. Some features we already had in the app are now under the premium package. So your audio recording, ASMR sounds, wallpapers, etc. This basically means that if you were an old user of the app, you'll probably need to pay the $5.99 to keep using the app. Being an old user in CollaNote right now, it means you had the app downloaded on your device before this update. The happy days of using CollaNote for free are over. We love that the app has dropped the Apple Pencil kit for some vector ink pens. According to the developers, we now have 25 pens in the app. Do we now? We were curious to try all these 25 pens and we had the patience for it. The first pens that we tried are the basic ones. The ballpoint pen feels and looks like a ballpoint pen you'd expect in a note-taking app. The fountain pen is slightly different from the ballpoint. It's definitely not a ballpoint pen, but we're not really sure what it is. It's not the typical fountain pen you'll see that we've become used to. The calligraphy pen felt like a fountain pen. It looks like it with the tapered ends and it's very pleasant to write with. The pencil tool felt and looked a bit funny. It has the feel of the pen tool in Apple Notes. So I had to check it with the pencil tool in Apple Notes. The Apple Notes one is much better. And we also realized that the pencil tool is not vector ink. Just the feeling from this pencil tool makes it the worst pencil tool we've ever seen in a note-taking app. But I still love it because it's a pencil tool. Winter Lace, this is another pen tool in the app, is easier to appreciate when it's thicker. Because when it's not, it feels like a lighter pencil tool. But it's actually not a pencil tool. It's just designed from it. You're not going to be using it for writing anything serious. It's like the dashed and dotted pens in the app. You won't be using them to take notes, but maybe just to decorate them. At least your dashed and dotted pens, unlike the winter lace, are vector ink. So we're happy to see that. Every note-taking app that has a felt pen seems to have its own definition of what the pen's properties are. In CollaNote 2.0, it uses raster ink, and at this point we started wondering just how many raster ink pens are there in the app now. The sketch pencil felt like a pencil tool, which made us curious to know just how it differs from the pencil tool. After looking at their strokes, the pencil tool looks more concentrated, but does that make it a completely different tool? Let us know what you think. The water brush looks legit. It has all the properties you'd expect a water brush to have. But it's another pixelating writing tool. So, not very excited about it. The Chinese calligraphy pen also pixelates, and its smaller size is quite big. But maybe that's how it's supposed to be. I can't write any Chinese languages, so I wouldn't know. Now, all these 3D pens look the same, just with different colors and designs. The moment you select one, all the colors in the color palette are no longer available for changing your pen color. We knew right away that the 3D pens were all the same thing, just different colors. But different colors and styles do not make them different pen types. And we're not happy because they also pixelate. The star pen makes more sense as stickers, considering that we can't change their color. As a decoration, they can work as well. After trying all these writing tools, CollaNote actually has 12 pen tools, not 25. Maybe 13 if you want to acknowledge the sketch pencil as a different tool. I mean, you can't have the same pen tool with 20 different colors and say that it's 20 pen types. It's one pen with many different colors and styles. 8 of them use raster ink, so they pixelate when you zoom in. I would probably consider only the first 3 tools for serious note-taking. The rest are just fun tools with little to no practical use. That's probably because I'm a boring human being. Maybe others can use these and have fun with them, but I don't really see them contributing much towards note-taking. Most of these new pens are premium features. You'll probably need to pay for that. We love that the app does feel a bit more stable. Palm rejection feels a lot better. It has improved, but we can't say that it's the best handwriting on the iPad. It's definitely not. If you've already tried the new features in CollaNote 2.0, let us know if you think the writing in the app is now better than before. The new search tool still needs a lot of work. It takes too long to respond, which no one has patience for. It does not highlight the results on the PDF that you're searching. And its display of your search results is not very useful. Results are supposed to give you a glimpse of what surrounds your search results, so you know if you found what you're looking for. But that's not what we're getting in the app. At the moment, the app is just showing you the screenshots of the terms that it's found in your PDFs that are massive and really quite useless to help you determine if that is the section you're looking for. For now, it's probably better to pretend the app still doesn't have a search tool. That's how bad it is, because this search tool really, honestly, won't help you find anything in your PDFs. We were happy to see handwriting search in the app. A handwriting note-taking app must have one. At least the app seems to work better with handwriting search than it does with PDF searching. The results you get are a bit more informative, which helps you find what you're looking for. The app actually helps you to find where the terms are on your page. That's actually much better than what you're getting when searching a PDF. However, the whole experience is still glitchy and needs some work to improve the user experience. Personally, I dislike covers because I prefer seeing what's in my notebook on the homepage. It helps me find what I'm looking for faster. But covers make cute notebooks, and many of us love them. So we're happy to see that we can add those to our notebooks in CollaNote now. You have a number of covers to choose from. Most of them are just really colors, not very exciting. Then you have images, very basic. And for some weird reason, the developers thought to let us draw on them. On this small section, really? Shouldn't it get bigger, maybe? No? Add some real art to it. Is it even necessary? If you love covers, let us know if you like this feature. Our team has a saying about CollaNote: another update, another bug. Maybe we're just among one of the few unlucky ones, but it's been the buggiest app we have ever had to deal with. When recording this video alone, the app keyboard froze. We failed to use the new search tool a couple of times, and the app crashed. CollaNote has been an interesting app, and it does pack some unique features you won't find in other note-taking apps. However, we've never considered it for serious note-taking. We didn't recommend CollaNote when it was free, and we are now even more hesitant to do that if it costs more than GoodNotes. It's a fun app, but is it really worth what the developers are asking for? Let us know what you think. If you just want a note-taking app without any budget limits because you're tired of all these free apps that then become paid and then you still have to buy an app anyway, then any other note-taking app will probably be better than CollaNote 2.0. You are going to have a much better user experience in any other note-taking app that's on the market right now. CollaNote, it has loads of potential, but it does need some polishing before we can trust the app with our digital notes. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let us know if you will be upgrading to CollaNote 2.0 or if you're just going to abandon ship. Thank you, fantastic human. for watching. See you in the next video.